Are you looking for the best portable fan? We've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys. Hood on that up for me right there. So we got a bag in a box right here, and then we also have a little cord right there. Looks like you got to charge it on up. It is a USB-A to USB-C cord right there, so fairly easy to do. Let's see, taking on out the fan right here. This is what it looks like. Oh, I like the look of it. Just super cool looking, like how it's kind of bellowed, if you will, like rounded on the back. And then it's got these feet on the bottom right here, so you can wrap it around anything. That's actually really cool. So like if you have a stroller or a shopping cart or something like that, and you want to be able to just wrap it around the poles of that, the handles of that, that way you could always have some air blowing on you. That's really neat. I like that. And then, of course, if you wanted to just kind of sit it down on your desk, you could kind of tripod this thing just like you would a camera or something like that. But all these legs are nice and bendable, so you can get it to the exact position that you want it to be in, which is super cool. All right, let's see. On the back right here, you got the USB-C port right there, so very easy to get charged up. We'll check out that in just a minute. You have two buttons on the top right here. One's definitely a power button. Not too sure what this other one is. Maybe like a, oh, does it turn? I think it turns, like it oscillates so that it'll get the whole room. Okay, we got to test this thing on out now. Let me just get it situated here. Press. Okay, that turned it on. Ooh, you got a nice little breeze coming out from there. Man, that's perfect for just like having blowing on you on a hot day and you're just trying to cool off. Let's see if I press the power button again. What does that do? Does it stop it or does it go faster? I can't tell. Oh, no, it's going faster. Okay, so it's low, medium, high. Is there another one? No, after that, it's off. I think it's slowing down. Yeah, slowing down. So you have 3 speeds on there plus the off speed, which is great. Okay, now let me turn it back on. And let me press the other button here. That should, yeah, look, it turns. Ha! That's awesome. Okay, so you're going, man, that goes far. Look at that. Oh, that's like almost 180 degrees, I would say. We were all the way out to here. I want to see where the zenith is on the other side. Okay, so it's probably more like a 100-degree if I had to guess, but still, that's a lot of rotation for this tiny little fan. So if you're like walking with someone on, with a stroller, a shopping cart or whatever, you'd be able to get everybody that's behind it with some air or in front of it. You've got a child sitting in the cart or whatever, you could wrap this up for them there as well. Super cool. Loving this. All right, you know what? We need some dad power now. Let's go ahead and check out this cord to see how long this thing is, and to see, I like to plug it in to see like what lights up on there to let you know that it's charging. So this is about a 4-foot cord right there. Go ahead and plug that right on into here, and plugging this on into that back port. Got a nice good snap-in connection to let you know that it's connected. Okay, here it is. On the back right here, there's these, I could barely find it. There are these 2 small little lights on the side of the port. You can see this one right here, and there's another one on this side. I'm assuming this is going to light up whenever it's fully charged, but that lets you know that it's charging. Now, can you use it while it's charging? That's always a good question. So let me press our button. Turns on just fine. Let's make it spin. Nice. Okay, I just noticed, though, that it's the emblem on the top right here, it has the arrows, you see that, but then there's this thing, and I just realized I think that that's a light bulb. Does this thing have a light in it? I'm gonna hold it down and see if something happens. Ah, yes, check that out. Ha, that's so cool. Does it do different colors? I think that stopped the turning. No, yeah, okay, let me hold it down. No, it just does the one color right there, but that's awesome. So if you're in a dark place and you need that, this could also double as like a flashlight for you. I mean, emergency situation, what do you need? You want to be comfortable, so having a nice fan that's battery powered and having a light to be able to see where you're going, that could be awesome. Like down here in Louisiana, we get tons of hurricanes. And whenever the hurricanes come through, where's all the battery powered things? And so to have a fan and a light all in one, because usually your power goes out, you're going to lose AC. It's during the summer months, so it starts getting super hot. And so to be able to cool off with this little fan right here and have the light in there, that's going to be perfect. I love that. Oh, on the back here, the little green light came on. I think that's to denote that maybe the light's on or the rotation. It's not the rotation. Let me hold this down and see if that goes away. Or does that mean that's fully charged? Let me turn off the fan now. I'm trying to see if the light goes off at this point. That's high speed. Okay, I think this is the low speed right here. I still got the light on, so that might mean that it's fully charged, possibly. Not 100% sure on that. Super cool, though. Let's see. Let's check out our instructions real quick just to see if we missed anything. You know, I like to just unbox and play with the product to see how intuitive it is, and then I go back and kind of see if I messed up anything or missed anything. So, let's see. You got a whole bunch of different languages here, so it's really just like 6 little panels right here. So they go through the product parameters. Okay, one's a working indicator, and one's to let it know that that the charging indicator's there, and your input. You have your power button and your oscillating and LED button. Very easy to figure out. Power button. Press the button to switch it on. Mode 1, low airflow. Press it again for mode 2, medium. Press it a 3rd time for high airflow. Press 4th time for natural airflow or a breeze, and it starts and stops every 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, breeze mode. Let's see if it works. And then press it a 5th time to switch off. Then your oscillating model. When the fan is on, press the button to oscillating mode. Press again to stop. When the fan is off, the oscillating mode is also off. Yeah, look, this is doing a breeze thing. That's so cool. Indicator light, working stat. Oh, the LED. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds to turn on the LED light. Turn it off. To press it again to turn it off. Very easy. Indicator light, working status. Green light is on. Charging status. Red light is on. Fully charged status. Red light is off. Good to know. And low battery, red light is blinking. So on the back right here, if you do start to get a low battery on there, that'll start blinking for you. Your charging and working time. Charging time, it says 4.5 hours. And then it doesn't say anything about the working time, so I'm not too sure. It moves on to the next thing. Oh, you can remove the fan cover to clean it. Fan cover disassembly. Rotate clockwise the front cover of the fan for about 5 degrees, then disassemble. Okay, let me check that out. Oh, it's just this part right here? Ah, yes, that turns. And then this part just pops right on out, just like that. Okay, yeah, it's got a little channel right there to be able to catch a little nougat on the side right there. And so that way you can get to the internals of the fan if you do need to do that. Super cool, super easy. Okay, and then just simply line that back on up and lock it back into place. Good, okay, so that's one thing that we missed there. Let's see, cleaning, please use a soft cloth with neutral detergent or a small amount of water to wipe it and then wipe it dry. Fan cover assembly, we just finished that. We just figured that out. And then they give a few warnings on there and whatnot. So, yeah, if y'all are looking for an excellent portable fan, battery powered, got the charging cord, and got the bendy arms down here, which is super fun, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these. I believe that they make these in a few different colors as well. So if there's a particular color that you're looking for, definitely go and check out the product listing below. And if they do, they'll have all the different options on there that you can choose from. That way you guys can go and pick out the one that's going to be the best for you. But y'all definitely go and grab y'all one of these if this is something that you're looking for. Hey, y'all, let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that number right there. Definitely appreciate you guys hooking that up for me. Y'all go and add this to your cart. And thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I could show it off to y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and Dad out.